So I have created a sample code here. Now this is how normally we create a class, okay? And in the next session I will tell you what is the difference between the classes and runnable class, okay? So let's see. So now how to insert a breakpoint. Before debugging we have to insert the breakpoint. So for that what we have to do is click on debug. Okay, you will be finding these options, okay? Just like start debugging, start without debugging, these things, attach to process. So now what we have to do is, we if we want to insert the breakpoint directly, we can insert the breakpoint from here, okay? New breakpoint. So if you want to insert in the particular line, so you can just click on that particular line, right click. So you will be finding breakpoint here, okay? So click on this insert breakpoint, so that you will be just getting this red color mark. So this is a breakpoint actually. So if right clicking this and this, so if you are facing this is a long process, you can directly click on that particular line and click on F9. You will be just getting this, you will able to add the breakpoint here, okay? So and we can just place a multiple breakpoints like this. So after placing the breakpoints, what we have to do is click on debug, and you will be finding attached to process, okay? Click on this attached to process, and after that, here I'm using iisexpress.exe. So we have to click on attach, okay? After attaching, we have to wait for a symbols to load, and after that this red color breakpoint will turn into this color, okay? And after that we have to just check the code in the front end, like whatever the you want to check it, you have to check it into the front end, okay? This is how we insert the breakpoint, how we debug in the back end. Thank you.